Listen, Ivy.
No.
What do you think, Henry?
Is it fun? He's having fun.
Wow, careful.
Sit how you were sitting. Okay.
He wants some water now.
Okay, you want to give him some water?
I want him to do it again.
Are you a good, helpful cousin?
Let's be out. Drippy pippies.
Drippy Pippies.
Did he have drippy pippies? Are you going to help him?
Drippy pippies.
Did those words rhyme? Good job, Ivy. Now you want to go give him a kiss? Go give Henry a big kiss.
I'm thinking.
Can you give him a big kiss? Good job.